name is Yvonne, and in this video I'll show you how I made a skirt. So I already have this denim skirt and it fits me perfectly at the waist. So I'm going to use this to trace the pattern, and I'm just going to make the bottom a bit wider. As for the fabric, I found this one, these open and closed eyes, and it's made of a very sturdy cotton. So I'm going to try to make the skirt out of this. As I was pinning these pieces, I wasn't quite sure what to do with the pattern. Whether I wanted to continue the pattern throughout the entire skirt, which would be quite difficult to achieve, or whether I just wanted it to be completely random. So what I've decided to do is to keep the horizontal pattern intact, to at least have some lines going throughout the entire skirt, but then not matching up the vertical pattern. I'm not sure how this will turn out, so I guess we'll see. I've got everything, and now I'll start by assembling the back and the front pieces. The back consists of 3 parts. One middle part, which is cut on the fold, and then 2 sides. Also the side part to the back part to complete one complete back. The front consists of 4 pieces, 2 middle pieces and 2 side pieces. I'll attach the middle and the side pieces together, and then I'll have 2 panels to go along the front in total. I attached all the pieces of the back, so now it consists of 3 pieces. Then I pressed open the seams and did this French seam to hide away the raw edges and also to create this stitching detail on the back side. I created this flat felt seam by pressing open the original seam, then removing half of the left axis and then folding over the right axis over the left one. I pinned this down and then I used 2 top stitches to secure it. So what I'll do now is do the stitching along the edges of the pockets so I can attach them to the front pieces. After attaching the pockets, it was time to attach the front to the back pieces along the sides. I tried on the skirt to see if it would fit, and luckily it did. So it's been a little while, hence the change in haircut and background. Right now I'm gonna start by putting in the fly, so the 2 sides will attach to each other. Okay, so this is the part in the video where I would show you how to create the fly using the curved part, the straight part and the zipper. But to be honest, I found it quite tricky to make this fly, and I would not be able to explain it better than the YouTube video I used to learn how to make a fly. So I will link that video below because I thought it was very helpful. And now the moment of truth. Does it fit? Okay, so I kind of messed up. Because if you open up the zipper, then there's a layer behind it. So while I was stitching this, I shouldn't have stitched through this back flap as well. So I'm going to change that. Okay, so the fly actually works this time. Fits quite nicely actually. Then the next step is to attach the waistband and attach the belt loops. Then I'll just have to hem the bottom to a length that I like, and then I'm finished. To make the belt loops, I took all the rectangles and folded them into 4, and then I top stitched all of the edges down with my sewing machine. As for the waistband, I ironed down the edges and folded the whole waistband in 2. Then I attached one of these folds to the inside of the skirt, right side of the waistband facing the wrong side of the skirt. Then I could flip over the waistband to the right side of the skirt, add the belt loops and top stitch it all down. Next up, I tried on the skirt, pinned it to a length that I liked, and then hemmed the bottom using 2 top stitches. And the final step is to attach the button and the buttonhole. I think the skirt turned out quite nice. I really like the top stitching detail, the pockets and the fly. I think next time I would use a sturdier fabric, so maybe a denim, as my skirt still feels kind of flimsy. And I also think that the skirt would look really nice in a plain fabric, so not with the busy eye pattern, as then the stitching detail would stand out even more. Thank you for watching.